Hello Michelle. Hi Mary. Hi Zara. Look who's here. Oh, hello Norman. Have you come to say hello? Hi Maria. Hi Tiffany. Look. Baby Norman. Well, adult Norman. Hello Carol. Hello Jill. Hello Peggy. I think she wants me to go away. The tail is going up and down, up and down. She's fed up, Zara, because she's not allowed to go into Rocky's bedroom. Hi Kirsty. Hi Sam. Norman's acting stupid, look. Hi Catherine. And we have Bear Boy over there. Snoozing away. Oh, that would be great, Tiffany. Hi Mary. Rocky's doing great. Fed him, he's asleep. It'd be time for another feed soon. Normie's busy getting himself ready for the ladies. Look, he knows. Oh, Uggs was there, he's gone off. Who was it, Norman? Who was it, darling? Go on, have a good clean. And she can't stand Norman, of course. I had a good sleep today, Tiffany. I slept from, I think it was about 11 in the morning till 1:30, and I had a nightmare. I don't know what it was, but I woke up feeling all confused, and the super vet was there getting ready to take a seminar, so I don't know what he was doing there. I must have been really confused. And then before I know it, it was time to feed Rocky again. He's doing well, Zara. Hello, Auntie Sam. Look at the tail. Sam, look at her. She's not in a good mood. I did take her in to see Rocky. She's kind of very, very cautious at the moment. Hello, Sam. Well, Pixie's terrified of him, but she was a bit better last night. She came in, sniffed around, sniffed his litter tray, came up on his steps, and actually went away slowly instead of running off. Hi Laura. Norman, where are you going? Oh, look at that. Uggs has decided he'd snuggle with Tom and clean him. Oh, Uggs. Did you want company, darling? Hello, Auntie Peggy. Just thought I'd go live for 5 minutes before I go upstairs and spend some time with Rocky. Oh, look at those legs. Look at those legs. Oh, be careful you don't fall. Hi, Judith. I'm always late, Judith. I don't really sleep. Well, I had to eat, Peggy. Remember I said earlier on I'm going to eat and I didn't. Thank you, Maria. And I've only just had a sandwich now. Yeah, you. You. What are you looking at me like that for? Oh, hello. She's a madam. Look, Auntie Jeanette's here too. I tried to brush her, but she's not having it. Looks like the shaver has to come out. Hello, Charles. We've been here, Charles. If you've not seen our page or our post, just search us. I'm still posting 3 or 4 times a day. I know, Judith, I've been upset, and you know what it's like when you've got a sick cat. Yeah, they do, Tiffany. I think they're a bit out of sorts with Stephen not here. But the boys are here anyway. Prince is sitting in the kitchen chair, won't let me do anything. And he's certainly not coming in here. Right, say bye-bye. Hello, Alexis. Rocky's doing well, thank you, Jeanette. He's sleeping. Yeah, she has sexy legs. They're tiny. But she's a tiny girl. She only weighs 7 pounds. Well, Peggy, we'll try and do a review when Stephen comes back. I'm behind with him already. Good night, Kirsty. Night, night. Hi, Rhonda. I don't know where they've all gone. Tweedledee and Tweedledum over there. Hello. Right, everyone. Time for tea and go upstairs with Rocky. Kisses back, Kirsty. Love you, Peggy. Night, night. Say bye-bye to everyone. Say bye-bye. Is that what you want, darling? Is it? Is that what you want? Hmm? Oh, have a good time, Judith. Well, Stephen's off until next week anyway, so we'll have plenty of time to go live. See you all tomorrow.